Howdy howdy howdy. I am Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Rose Bro, and this is Art World Geeks, inspired by, where I discuss a work that inspires my art practice. In this episode, we'll look at the 2007 installation, Shibboleth, by the artist Doris Salcedo. Salcedo was born in Bogota, Colombia, in 1958. The artist is known for her 2008 to 2010 work, Plegarium, which consists of wooden tables. Each sculpture is comprised of two tables, one is inverted on top of the other with a layer of living grass in between the two tables. Shibboleth was exhibited in 2007 at the Tate Modern in London, consisting of a large track that runs across the floor of the museum's turbine hall. This work inspires me to think about altering the actual structure of a location in order to reveal novel aesthetic experiences. Until next time, I'm Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Rose Bro. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media and the web at Art World Geek.